Now that my groups are ready, there are several different things that I can use them for. So first off, let me show you what they look like in the grade book. So if I go into my grades, as you can see, because I've set the course to take full advantage of the groups, I actually have the option to separate groups right up here. So right now it's showing all participants. Obviously this is a very small class because there's only 2 students, but I could easily pick just my Winter Park student or just my Winter Spring student, and it'll sort them that way. That way, if you have a lot of students, it makes it way easier. Also, if you're grading something, say you have a Monday, Tuesday class, and it's Monday evening, and you just want to grade your Winter Spring students, you can go ahead and click on that. It'll just show you them. It'll make it really easy to sort through them. Now, another place, excuse me, where you can use this is in, let's see, assignments. So here, I can view grade all submissions. Oh, they're late. Oh no. But again, if I wanted to, I could set this up so that way they could submit as a group. Now, of course, having only 2 students, it doesn't work particularly well. However, it still does work. So group submission settings is what we want. So we could have students submit in groups. Yes, require all group members to submit. By default, it looks like that's grayed out. And then grouping for students, groups, don't worry about that because we don't use the groupings. However, if you want students to be able to submit in groups, then you can hit yes, and then it will sort them by group. So that way, hit save and display, view grade. That way I can choose, oh wait, where do I find that? There is a way to do this. I know that there is. And of course, it's while I have you here. Bet you it's down here? No? Okay. Well, I'm still learning how to use this one, but that way I can actually, if one student from that group submits, then they are good to go. All right, so another place where we can use it is in discussions, and this comes in super handy. So in this discussion, as you can see, I have a prompt, and then I can separate my groups. So I can see just my Winter Spring students, I can see just my Winter Park students, and as you can see, neither of them posted. But they only can see each other in the discussion. So my Winter Spring students don't see my Winter Park students, and my Winter Park students don't see the Winter Spring students. This way, you kind of eliminate the awkwardness of, I don't know you, I'm not going to post on your discussion, I don't even know what's going on. One of the other great things about going ahead and setting up the groups and letting me know is that I can set it up so that automatically it'll take advantage of the group. So if I were going to create something else, let's see, how about a forum? If I were to create another forum, give it a name, just going to copy and paste because it wants text there. If you look in common module settings, you'll see that the groups are already there, separate groups. So that way you don't have to do anything special to get that to work. And it'll automatically choose that setting in everything that you create. So that way you can always have access to just one group or the other group and not have to do anything fancy. So that's about it for groups. And if you have any questions or if you need any help as we go along, just let me know. Have a wonderful day.